In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book on Fresha, an incredibly user-friendly platform designed to streamline the booking process for your business needs. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking for a refresher on how to make booking as seamless as possible, you've come to the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to create and share booking links with your clients, ensuring they can easily book your services. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Fresha's website, specifically designed for business users. You can find this by simply typing https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your web browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the portal where all your business-related activities on Fresha begin. Once you've arrived at the Fresha for Business page, your next step is to log in. You'll see a button or link that says Login. Click on this. It's important to proceed with the For Business option to ensure you're accessing the correct part of the site for your needs. After selecting For Business, you're going to want to use a straightforward and secure method to sign in, and Fresha offers just that with the Sign In using Google option. This allows you to use your existing Google account for a quick sign-in, eliminating the need for remembering another username and password combination. Following your selection to sign in using Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for this purpose. If you're already logged into a Google account on your browser, it may automatically suggest that account for you. With the login process out of the way, it's time to dive into the core of what we're here for. Creating a booking link. Navigate to the online booking section by following the provided link or locating it within your Fresha dashboard. Here you'll find various resources to help you manage your online bookings, but we're specifically interested in the buttons and links feature today. Under Buttons and Links, look for the Link Builder. This tool is essentially your best friend when it comes to customizing the way clients book with you. Its user-friendly interface allows for a tailored experience, ensuring the link leads clients straight to your services. Now you're ready to create the actual link. In the Link to Services section, you'll find the option to Create Link. This enables you to specify which of your services you want to include in your booking link. It can be one, several, or all your services, giving you full control over what your clients can book through the link. Once you have chosen the services you wish our link to cover, proceed to click on Create Link. This action culminates the personalization process, generating a unique URL dedicated to the selected services. Before going any further, it's always wise to preview the link. This ensures everything is set up just the way you want it. Click on Preview Link to see how your clients will view the booking page. This step is about verifying that all services are correctly listed and that the link leads where you intend it to. The final and arguably most important part of the process is sharing the link with your clients. Now that you have your customized booking link, you can forward it to your clients through email, text message, or even share it on your social media platforms. This convenience allows your clients to book your services with just a couple of clicks at any time that suits them, enhancing their experience and satisfaction. In conclusion, Fresha provides a simple yet powerful way to manage your bookings online. By utilizing the Buttons and Links feature to create a custom link for your services, you ensure a smoother booking process for both you and your clients. Remember, the goal is to make accessing your services as straightforward and hassle-free as possible, and by following these steps, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to book on Fresha. Whether you're setting up your booking system for the first time or seeking to streamline your existing process, I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Happy booking and looking forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.